extends beyond economic partnerships. They are founded on shared values, cultural ties are we are the same, and a mutual commitment to a sustainable development. As we forge stronger ties in the recycling industry, let us recognize the potential for collaboration initiatives that will only benefit our economies but also contribute to the global effort for a more sustainable and environmentally conscious future. Again, like I said, I'm talking more on the recycling part and how important we have to save this Mother Earth for our generations for tomorrow. Now, let us delve into a critical aspects of recycling education. It is imperative that we, as representative of recycling industry, advocate. Really, this is very important. We have to advocate for the inclusion of recycling and sustainability in academic curriculum. This is what is the initiative which I was telling you, and I like you all to even start with your own homes of how important recycling is and how a child has to really disperse or throw the waste in which bin and where. That's very important, I feel, and I appreciate that if you can really get this educated in the academic curriculum. I urge the association present here to engage with environmental and educational institutions advocating the integration of recycling and sustainability in academic programs. By doing so, we lay the foundation stone for a society not only understands the principles of recycling but actively practices them. Moreover, training is a fundamental in fostering a culture of recycling awareness. I encourage all associations to take the lead in providing training programs for employees across the industry. This is very, very important. Like when I met today, doctor, he says that he is not very happy to see the gathering over here, but he is more happy to see the gathering be sustainability, but also actively contribute to the reduction of carbon emissions. As you all know, that right now where I come from, the COP28 is going very well. Dubai is there, and our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi was also there. Billions of dollars have been sanctioned for just 1.5% of climate change. We don't believe how important 1.5% degree of climatic change is. I could hear only one country, UAE, and the $50 billion for the next up to 2030.
The companies that made the companies to be part of ISA continuing for 12 years. Just to mention, last week, what was the question you usually get in the market? Okay, lithium is great, what's about raw material? Last week I was part of the ministers meeting where they announced 13 block auction for critical minerals, including 2 for lithium, 3 for nickel, 2 for manganese, 1 for copper, 5 graphite. So the talked about things is not really talked about, it is already happening. We have segregated and focused on 4 application areas. As we see, battery as a Swiss knife. It can use in the renewable energy integration, electric mobility, hydrogen or fuel cell is also form of storage, and also on the manufacturing R&D where we are actively working. So we have branded as a 4 individual councils working on this space. As I already mentioned, what we expect from a market research team, around 300 to 400 gigawatt hour of batteries requirement in next 7 years, both on stationary storage including behind the meter, front of the meter. Similarly, 300 to 400 gigawatt hour for the electric mobility and to support to the charging infrastructure and battery swapping ecosystem. The detail is in the report if you refer, let us know. And we become monumental in the policy formation. As Ilzda tell, 2023 is the year of policy in India. We have got 9 policies for stationary storage applications in India. Similarly, policies which includes VZF and many other. Similarly, today just after this I'm going for the recycling meeting. Already the Ministry of Mines already released for the auction. So there is multiple and 20 gigawatt hour additional PLI is also floated within a month. Multiple policies are happening. And we actively engaged in giving inputs. You might see I was typing the answers to some of the ministers' queries in the parliament today happening on the battery storage queries they have received. This is how the market has been grown over time. Yes, it has accelerated a lot. These are few of the policy engagements we do not only in India but across different countries, because our dependence is on the raw material, chemical processing, and also the export opportunities. Recently, we have signed the critical mineral partnership with US, also the strategic partnership with
Session chairman for this session, Dr. Deepak. Please come. Alistair and Matt, you are going to take the stage.